Ramajayam to test it out and
जो फिलहाल बेंच
they can.
ये नमस्कार नवीन, क्रिस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी और जय चित्रा क्लब 0-0 स्कोर है और एलन डेंट्रल यहाँ पे रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं।
Four. Navneet, two masala dosa. Is that not little too much of a starch early in the morning?
I mean, I wouldn't deny, but I need that energy. और अगर मेरे पेट में कुछ नहीं रहेगा तो वो जो जोश है वो जोश नहीं आता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जोश नहीं दिखा पाए। जोश किसने दिखाया? डिफेंस की टीम ने। और डिफेंस यानी साथियों अगर एक साथ पकड़ने में से मजा आता होगा डिफेंस में।
Totally. Ajyananda Krishna, was that Gautam Murugan? Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Again, he's holding the leg of the Raider and turning.
डू और डाई कलई सरन क्रिस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए रेड लगाते हुए सिर्फ 2 मिनट का खेल हुआ है और
better way of going in and tackling. Kalayaras and Manivannan did not understand how to escape and where to go in from. Sanjay Babu has come into his first raid for Jai Chitra Club. Fabulous! Fabulous! Right cover. The block does not come in. And Sanjay saves his legs without an injury and goes off apart from this defender's issues.
फिर से एक बार
how he attacks Balamurugan Manigandan on that right corner was brilliant. It was advanced on the tackle, but then he did really well. And Ramakrishnamurthy has been pinned. I say, whenever someone gives a green card saying all are shouting, I say, this is not what it is at all. The boys are so much used to playing in local tournaments where they have so many people cheering for them, so many people backing them. The sound or anything should not be a matter of concern at all, isn't it? Kalayaras and Manivannan gets this too much. But here, there are already other noises that's coming in. And this is more live. No, yeah, as Sanjay Babu comes in. And the right corner commits the error. Ramabharti Raja. The issue is, he just went in for that advanced tackle too early. Yeah, and Ramesh will talk to him in his eyes. He says, yeah, listen, you shouldn't have done that. Probably he went in because he thought badminton talks. It's not that it is not live, it's not that it is lively. And that's what I'm trying to say, where Kabaddi and cricket becomes more involved in a louder way. I think that's the whole culture of those two sports, and especially football as well. You know, not other sports. And especially when you're seeing any dart game or chess game, you can't even
टेलीविजन पे तो अक्सर वहां पे देखा है कि ओल्डर जनरेशन ज्यादा टेस्ट मैचेस को देखती है और जब वो चौका जाता है ना और एक साथ जब ताली बजती है, यहाँ पे ताली हमें बजानी पड़ेगी क्योंकि कलाई सरन को पकड़ा गया है और जय चित्रा को मिला 1 पॉइंट।
on. Not a right strategy because Ponnaya Ramajayam University can bounce back anytime. They know that. Ramakrishnamurthy will probably say, okay, fine, I just want a bonus. The ankle hold comes in. Strong one. Nicely done, and they pull him back. And Jai Chitra Club are looking forward for that booster point going in. And they need to have the lead. And Navneet, if you're really looking for that booster point, especially against a team,
क्लब 4 और प्रेस यहाँ पे 6 पे है।
Yeah, do or die raid. We'll go back to that. And we wanted to see how many do or die, because he generally goes in for that do or die raid for Ponnaya Ramajayam University. And now Ajyananda Krishna, has he? Oh, double jump we saw, but then somehow that left corner defender jumped over Ajyananda Krishna. Oh, that was nice by Sasi Kumar. And then goes down. Double thigh hold from the right corner. Ramabharati Raja is having a very, very good day. And also for all the teams that we were talking about, you're speaking of how they are star raider, and he definitely is the Ponnaya Ramajayam University's go-to man when it comes to do or die raid, and this will be an all-out. See, Navneet, the moment Dandapani came in and said, okay, throw the white towel there and reduce your momentum of the match, the boys in white have come all over the place, and they have created this big disaster called the all out in the first 10 minutes of the match. See, that is why never ever slow down your aggression, and especially against a team like Ponnaya Ramajayam University, who does not know ankle held and tackled out. See, that's what is going to happen to Ramakrishna as well. And the defense of Ponnaya Ramajayam University, they are very shrewd. Yeah, the bigger picture is not right. You know, see, I am a person where I don't support anybody who's not doing the right thing. See, for example, here Dandapani, I don't support his thought of process at all. He's stuck on 4 and he wants the Raiders to go out there and attempt only bonus points for what? Kalai with a dangerous tackle near the midline. Dangerous, I say, not because Harish was little, forcefully doing it, but it was dangerous because Kalai would have crossed over on the midline. That is dangerous for me. So, when you are struggling to get points, how can you keep on saying to your Raiders that go get bonus points? See, there I'm correct.
No, so my stomach bag is not that big that I can put 3 dosas, but...
Right, Ilan Tendril Ilan Jelian now.
Or...
The corporate world we are in says ahimsa is the best way to do. Ahimsa is the best way to do. That's never the best way. Yeah, nice block, dashed out Ajyananda Krishna. He was playing outside the block line as well, and now Dandapani, what are you thinking? So, please go out there and tell your players to try and have the hand touches going in. They're just trying for the bonus point. They're just standing stagnant at one place, and the defense of Ponnaya Ramajayam.
कुछ बता रहे हैं, जाओ थोड़ा सा टहलो, वहां पर टाइम व्यतीत करो, और टाइम व्यतीत करने वाला जो खेल होता है, अगर आप लीड में है तब ना व्यतीत करेंगे. यहाँ पे तो आप अपने ही जेब से खर्चा कर रहे हैं और आपको मिल क्या रहा है? 0 सन्नाटा, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. आप 10 रुपए दे रहे हैं और एक लड्डू भी नहीं मिल रहा है खाने को.
Exactly. Oh, I think maybe
यही है वो राज. और उम्मीद करता हूँ नवीन कि यहाँ पे स्ट्रैटेजी बदलेंगे कोच साहब. ये बोलेंगे कि अटैक करके खेलो, ऐसे भी आपको पॉइंट नहीं मिल रहा है तो वैसे क्यों नहीं. दरवाजा बंद होता है तो आपको दूसरा दरवाजा खोलने के लिए.
Nice. Very nice, Navneet. Very nice work. First aggression being shown from Sanjay Babu. And I think this will be well a Mal Super raid. Yes, it is a 3-pointer raid. Phenomenal work. Wow, this is what was expected right from the first half. In that left corner, the ankle hold came in and probably was a little weak. Jumps over, puts that right, covers his dash also aside and reaches the midline in style. And even if he is tackled, how many points are you getting? Only 1. Only 1 point. And what is the lead? 9 points is the lead for the opponent. And even the opponent is not bothered. And it's okay. That's why they wanted to check it, but not to be there. So yeah, so any defender should avoid doing this. See, that's the live example here. When you are trailing by so many points, Navneet, what was the necessary to go attack the Raider like this? Was the Raider looking to take points from you? No. Was the Raider coming deep inside the...
जी हाँ, 20 और 10, 15 मिनट का खेल. संजय बाबू, और जैसा कि आप बोल रहे हैं कि अननेसेसरी जो जिस तरीके से डिफेंस किया गया था उसकी जरूरत नहीं थी.
Trying to turn, just put his right hand out there, held his thighs and waist at the right time. Right, now Santosh will go in deep. The running hand touches might not be working out because there's a right cover now who's come in from the bench, Siva Tarun, and he has already inflicted one of the cleanest cover tackles ever. So he needs to understand the running attach won't work. He needs to just be careful. There. This is what I was trying to say.
Bonus point.
Either the right cover or the right corner, Navneet. All out again for Jai Chitra Club.
3 points, Prince University. All out, Jai Chitra Club.
जी हाँ, जय चित्रा क्लब। बहुत देर से हमारे साथी कमेंटेटर नवीन ने जोर दिया है कि इस टीम को खुल के खेलने की जरूरत है। हाँ, जब आप मस्त होके खेलते हैं, अटैक होके खेलते हैं, तो सामने वाले पर भी प्रेशर पड़ता है, लेकिन आप सिर्फ प्रेशर ले रहे हैं। और एक कहावत भी थी ना,
Not wait for the last minute. It's a do or die raid here for Ilan Tendril. He will ask his team. That's a lovely double ankle hold. Clean and clear. Wonderful work from that right corner defender.
Chitra Club.
Very nicely done. I think that was Krishna Rajaram who's standing on that right corner. Yeah, right. Generally a left corner defender.
एब्सोल्युटली 15-25 यहाँ पे रामकृष्ण मूर्ति। क्या यहाँ पर कुछ कमाल कर सकते हैं रामकृष्ण मूर्ति? डू और डाई रेड है, आपको यहाँ प्रयास करना पड़ेगा।
Drop in the bottle. You just try to fill up the bottle when it is half filled or even when it is 3/4 filled. Or what I'm trying to say, if you are trailing behind, don't leave it to the last minute. Super tackle situation. And the attack has been brilliant from the defense, and it is Uti's goodie super tackle.
2 points.
Very nice work.
University.
I love this from Gautam Murugan. I'm sure everybody's listening to this. This is fabulous work. He holds the ankles. He does not turn. He does not turn around like wrong or intentional when he holds the ankles and rolls over, twisting the knees and twisting the ankles. Do or die raid. Santosh will be napped down. Nice block. And the second line of defense from behind pulls him back as well. Right, Jai Chitra. Slowly but surely coming back into this.
Sir, please. Another, sir. Sir, one outside. One way. Go back. Substitution, Jai Chitra Club.
Drop in the water bottle to do something. Just do it a little earlier. Do or die raid.
और इसका
And
एक
third
और
quarter.
एग्जाम्पल है नवीन, वो जो आपकी बैटरी है ना, मोबाइल की बैटरी, उसे वो एकदम 2%, 1% पे मत जाने दीजिए, थोड़ा सा पहले
Correct.
चार्ज कर लीजिए। मैं ये गलती अक्सर कर देता हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पर गलती नहीं करेंगे। ब्रिस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी उठा दिया है। अजय नंदा, कृष्ण कुमार, आपके पास कोई मौका नहीं है। ब्रिस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी वापस से ऑल आउट होने से बचती हुई रिवाइवल मिलेगा। ऊटीज गुडीज, यमी, होलसम, डिवाइन।
Fabulous. Awesome, amazing, and also a very, very good tackle once again from Gautam Murugan. All praises because he did not fall on the Raiders' leg and he did not turn over. Isn't it, Navneet? The Raider is safe. I mean to say, his legs are safe. Of course, he is tackled. No, his legs are safe. You're not being questioned. Your skills is not being questioned. Sivatarun, as a defender, goes in and gets a point easily. Now let's look at that two super tackles back to back whenever we are ready with it.
Right.
जी हाँ,
And again.
फिर से एक बार। जी हाँ।
Yes, Navneet.
ओहो,
Oh,
ये क्या
4+2.
जुल्म!
oh my God! Sanjay Babu has just made sure a big cyclone has struck Ponnaya University's arena. My God, first he brought Jai Chitra Club back via a super raid, and now it's a 4+2 all-out raid. Is my trip Kabaddi Kamal moment winner this? Definitely. First, the anti-cross, and then the hand of the raider also falls through.
14.
கொடுத்துருந்து என்ன பண்ணுறது? டேய் ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம், நான் சொல்கிறேங்க, டிஃபென்ஸ் அடிக்க விடு. ஒரு ரைடு நீ போனீங்கன்னா போனஸு சப்போர்ட்டில் போடு. போனஸ் போட்டு வந்துடு. 7 பாயிண்ட் தான் லீடிங் இருக்குது, பார்த்துக்கோ. நம்ம இன்னும் 3 பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தாவே போதும் நமக்கு. ஏன்னா போனஸ் மட்டும் வருது, டிஃபென்ஸ் இப்படி ஆடுது. ஆமாம், போனஸ் மட்டும் போட்டு தேர்ட் ரைடு போனஸ் மட்டும் போடு.
Now also he won or even radio the oldest form of medium, even before newspaper was radio. That is why it was so impactful. The audio always is the theater of mind. And here, they have once again dashed off a raider.
University.
Navneet, hope you understand what I said when
बिल्कुल
you
मैं
said
समझा
theater of mind.
और
Do or
बिल्कुल, और
die.
सोचिए कि मेरी और आपकी अगर नवीन लड़ाई हो जाती है, नवीन ने तो ऐसा किया, फिर आप जाके बोलते हैं, तो जिस तरीके से जो अपने साइड का स्टोरी बताता है ना, उसी का एकदम सत्य लगता है। और वही क्या चीज आपने बोला कि ऑडियो इज द थिएटर ऑफ माइंड, ये वाली लाइन आपने खुद लिखी है।
To him. And Navneet, I'll just come back to that theater of mind sort of situation. You very rightly said. Oh my God, Rama Murthy now. How many points?
Jai Chitra Club. Just number 6. Out.
Okay, only one. He was waiting for the bonus point, but not to be there. So this Rama versus Rama contest continues. And then the block was not strong. He needs to go in life. He's an awesome boy, very good at heart. The only thing, if he can stop going out there and holding the ankles and turning over, he is once again made sure small little
पॉइंट का डिफरेंस सक्सेसफुल